business was growing and our head office in Goring couldn't compete with the capacity. So what we had to do was resource to a local site that was central for the business as we're serving the whole of the UK. And that was where our consultation team at the time went out to several different businesses looking at what suited what they required and what fitted the bill best for the business. And it was Axiom that came to the forefront. This was Wilderbuck's first venture into automation. The most we put through a day is just over 105,000 books in-fed. To get that, we've actually processed near 150,000 books. So the system itself can cope with 150,000. It hasn't, we can't keep up with the machinery. And with what Axiom proposed and the capability of the system that they put forward, it meant that we would outstrip all our current KPIs. And this was a new level of automation and the future for Wilderbooks. For me, the full access from Matthew coming on site to the engineers, the software engineers. You've got accessibility to everybody in the whole Axiom family. They delivered on everything that they promised, and since then we've actually gone into other ventures with Axiom as well. So, we're carrying on building our business together.